We're looking at homework from section 6.4. This is question number 3. Find the critical values chi-square L and chi-square R for the given confidence level C and sample size n. C is 0.8, n is 25. So we're going to need to find the chi-square values for C equals 0.8 and n equals 25. A graph of the situation might help us see things more clearly. So we'll draw the chi-square distribution, which is a non-symmetric distribution, and we position our chi-square L and chi-square R values in such a way that the level of confidence is the area between those two, and that each tail has an equivalent area. So on this graph, the area in the middle is 0.8, which we'll write as 0.8000. That's 80% of the total area, so that leaves 20% of the area to be divided evenly between the two tails, so each tail will have 10% of the area, which is 0.1000. When we use this chi-square distribution, we're always interested in area to the right, so we'll start with chi-square L. The area to the right of chi-square L is the central area of 0.8000 and the right-hand tail of 0.1000, which is a total of 0.9000. The area to the right of chi-square R is just the right-hand tail, which is 0.1000. We'll keep that as a reference and ask our questions. What is the area to the right of chi-square L? It's 0.9000. What's the area to the right of chi-square R? It's 0.1000. And then what are our degrees of freedom? Well, they're one less than the sample size, so the degrees of freedom are 24. Now we can turn our attention to the chi-square distribution. We need certain values to be able to use that. The degrees of freedom, which were 24, the area to the right of chi-square L, which was 0.9000, and the area to the right of chi-square R, which was 0.1000. So we look for our degrees of freedom along the left-hand column, and the area to the right of the chi-square value across the top. So for chi-square L, we're looking for 0.90 across the top, and degrees of freedom 24. Those meet up at a chi-square L value of 15.659. That's our chi-square L value. For chi-square R, we're looking for 0.10 across the top and 24 degrees of freedom. That's 33.196. That's our chi-square R value, and that's your answer.